Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Urban Affairs Subas Nobhalang Dhar habakran bat kilat pathai kubor hak arterik unaitung hak office Pyntreikam jong uloong banlat na kajing theng kali ka sarkar Meghalaya kan sedang Pyntreikam no Ïaka Meghalaya parking policy for urban areas 8,000 apusan kabakhang ya kajing yang kali klumar haki Surok padba haki jaka bakong san jong kasar uba adhar ula pentip baka sarkar kaladep ban sedang ya kajing Pyntreikam ya kani ka policy bat ula penpau syai ba omdan menuru bansya yang kali haki Surok ulo ongru bakani ka an kani rap shikat day ban pendunai ka jing deheng kali bat kan penkalai ka jing long haki Surok sor kani ka policy ba Thymmai ban Pynieng yaki kali kabalapan bena haki snam balalet kadon kathong ban penbet ya ki jing deheng kali dak babu iki jaka yang kali ki balapan krek kerpang bat ki bahab ban si pisa menteri ulapan pau ka jing ngaus khem ba ka jing dheng kali hasilong kanduna shushu lada ka jaka Pyntreikam bathamai ne ka new administrative city ha new shillong ka sedang Pyntreikam hakisnam banwan
Is that this is of course at the time when we are talking about hawkers, there is another issue like this parking, roadside parking, since the government has already decided to come up with this proposal and everything. When we will see the actual implementation, because on ground it has
What implementation?
of this roadside parking.
No, we are doing now. That's why we already passed recently about the parking policy of the road parking in the city. It's only on the job, not implemented.
Okay, so now the ground floor, what will you do?
We will see, don't worry. We will see.
Sir, like you said that you are already implementing, but we are not seeing much because still.
You see, that's why you are seeing the police on the job. That's why they issue fine slip from time to time. That means we are implementing it. And that's why if you compare from for the last few months now, it's quite improved. There is no one parking right on the middle of the road. Yes, maybe not one shot at one time. So hopefully it will be improved properly. Don't worry. We will do.
So by when this implementing?
Not by when. It's a continuous process to correct our nature.
At least by when it will be visible.
At the earliest possible. That's why especially personally from my side, I always request my people of the city, please cooperate with the government to avoid all this traffic jam. You see, it's a collective responsibility. We are here to work for the people, point number one. And thanks for will they always cooperate us also. Yes, there is some challenges here and there. That's no problem. There is challenges, but we always work with challenges. And hopefully, we will be able to achieve the goal one day with all of us will be collectively responsible. Don't put negative thing in front. Not possible, not possible. When we are having in a positive direction, I'm having full confidence we will be able to do all those good things.